Hi friends, we're here with the question of the day today, and I want you to take a look at my screen and tell me what it is you see here. What is this? What is this thing right here on the plate? Do you know? That is a pancake, and pancakes are in the shape of a circle because they go around and around, but pancakes are flat. Pancakes are not inflated like balls. But our question of the day is, can you roll a pancake? Can you roll a pancake? Do you think that we can take a pancake and roll it like we roll a ball? Why don't you, if you have any pancakes at home, I would love for you to try and see if you can roll a pancake and text Miss Charles and let me know if yes, I was able to roll the pancake or no, Miss Charles, I could not roll the pancake, okay? If a pancake is frozen, it's hard, and so you may be able to roll it. If it's soft like a fresh cooked pancake or put in the microwave, it's kind of flimsy, and I don't know if you can necessarily roll that one. So try it with a frozen pancake if you have, and one that's not frozen, okay? And let me know what happens. All right, friends, talk to you later.